Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video, we are going to solve the given partial differential equation. Let's expand this. So we get zp square minus zq square equal to x square minus y square. So here we find the product of z with p, but we have a form where the power of p should be 1. So by rearranging this, that is, we take z power half into p whole square. This is actually z into p square. So just we have rewritten this term in such a way that to get the p power 1. In the same way, the next term is z power half into q. Then we have whole square equal to x square minus y square. And here by comparison, we have z power half, and this is z power 1. So after rearranging this, we are going to consider the form where we have z power m into p and z power m into q. Along with that, we have x and y terms. So now let's compare this z power m with z power half. By comparison, we find the value of m as 1 by 2. When the value other than minus 1, we go for taking capital Z as z power 1 plus m as our substitution. So capital Z will be z power 1 plus half, and that gives 3 by 2. So capital Z is z power 3 by 2. Now let's do partial derivative of this capital Z with respect to small z, which is 3 by 2. Z power 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. We know small p is dou z by dou x, and small q is dou z by dou y. Now let's consider capital P, which is dou capital Z by dou x, when it is rewritten as dou z by dou small z into dou small z by dou x. And from this we get dou capital Z by dou small z, and from this we get this as p, small p. So finally we get capital P is 3 by 2 z power half into p. Now keeping z power half into p here, we are going to take this term to the other side. This will become 2 by 3, capital P will become z power half. This is small z. So z power half into p. In the same way, let's work out capital Q, which is dou capital Z by dou y. When it is rewritten as dou capital Z by dou small z into dou small z by dou y, we can substitute dou z by dou small z as 3 by 2 z power half, and this is dou z by dou y becomes q. So we get capital Q equal to 3 by 2 z power half, and this is q. In the same way like previous, let's take this 3 by 2 to the other side as 2 by 3. Capital Q is z power half into q. Now we got these two expressions. This we are going to substitute in the equation 1. This is our equation 1, the rearranged one. So we have z power half into p whole square. This is our z power half into p. So 2 by 3 capital P whole square. Then we also have minus z power half into q whole square. So minus 2 by 3 q whole square equal to x square minus y square. So we get x square minus y square. Now when we square this, we get 4 capital P square by 9 minus 4 capital Q whole square by 9 equal to x square minus y square. So here it is possible to get the form of f of p comma x on one side and another function phi of q comma y on the other side. So we take 4p square by 9 minus x square equal to, we take this to the other side, so 4q square by 9 minus y square. Let us take this as the constant a. Now taking the first and last term, we are going to find what is p. So 4p square by 9 minus x square equal to a. By taking this x square to the other side, we are getting 4p square by 9 equal to x square plus a. Then p square will be 9 by 4 into x square plus a. Now taking square root, we get 3 by 2 root x square plus a. In the same way, taking the other pair, we get 4q square by 9 minus y square is equal to a. So even this becomes plus. So 4q square by 9 equal to y square plus a. Then finally, q square will be 9 by 4 into y square plus a, and q will be 3 by 2 root y square plus a. So we got p and q, and these two we are going to substitute in the expression d capital Z equal to capital P dx plus capital Q dy. So dz will be 3 by 2 root of this, we are going to rewrite as x square plus root a whole square, so that we can apply the formula. We have dx. In the same way, this is 3 by 2 root of y square plus a is written as root a whole square dy. Now we go for integration. Both are same formula. The formula which we are going to apply here is root of x square plus a square is x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse sine h inverse x by a plus c. So left hand side is capital Z, and here we have 3 by 2, and we have both the terms 3 by 2, but anyway in first term we are going to apply this formula, that is x by 2 root of x square plus, wherever a is there I have to put root a, and here also root a whole square by 2 sine h inverse x by a. And coming to the second term, everything is in y. So this is again 3 by 2 y by 2 root y square plus root a whole square plus root a whole square by 2 sine h inverse y by a plus c. And finally, we can replace the capital Z, which is from our substitution, we had small z power 3 by 2. So here it is small z power 3 by 2, and the rest of the terms written as it is. This is 3 by 2. I can keep 3 by 2 totally common. So first term is x by 2 root of x square. Now root a square can be written as a, and again root a square is a by 2 sine inverse. Even here this is root a, because we have root a as a term. So sine h inverse x by root a. Wherever root a square is there, we can rewrite it as a itself. And again plus we have taken 3 by 2 common. So y by 2 root y square plus a by 2 sin h inverse y by root a. And we have a constant c. This is our required complete solution.